Welcome back to Set Streets and Eats. So tonight we're doing something special. I got my family with me. We are at Hollywood Studios, but it's just closed down. So everyone's already cleared the park, but we are walking to Star Wars Land because we have an after hours appointment to build lightsabers. I built it once before at Disneyland in Anaheim. I'll link to that up here if you want to check me out building my saber, but my kids and friends are gonna build theirs tonight, and I'm gonna show it to you. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's travel. I'm Chris Bauer, and I am an art slinger. I travel around the US selling artwork at comic and anime conventions, and while I'm there, I like to check out cool sites, eat great food, and see all the places my favorite movies and TV shows are made. Welcome to Sets, Streets, and Eats. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. All right, we have entered Batuu, the Black Spire outpost. I feel the Kyber crystal is getting closer. Also, I'll be slipping 20 credits to the guy that gets us a black crystal. Just saying. They're not above credit swapping. Maybe 40 credits. I want a black one. We have just selected our hilts and waiting to go in to build. Everyone's excited. I tried to bribe the entire cast for a black crystal, but I was turned down. There it is. We're going in.
Yes. We have 8 of us total, right?
Yes. Right? 2, 4, 5. Yeah, 8 total. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Hold on. We got to get masks on.
We all have our masks.
We do all have masks. Yes, indeed. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. Okay, cool.
You don't want to.
That'll work. Come on into the courtyard.
Spot right here. We're going to have you right over here.
That'll work.
First off, that's the perfect idea. We need those masks. We need it above the nose, below the chin.
Right here.
All right, 2 reasons.
Perfect example. You heard him.
That
was great.
That's one of the reasons. The main reason, though, is not that. It's the first order.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to be recognized.
No.
First order will arrest you. So if you keep those masks on, you're safe. All right?
No, I was going to say, they're probably not. We're safe.
Right about where you are. See those holes in the wall? That's where they hit.
Blaster marks.
Shot at you, they might hit somebody over here. Now we don't want to be responsible for it.
They're terrible shots. They won't hit you.
That's true.
No.
I mean, they're kind of throwing the original trilogy. When new stuff, but I'll let it go.
Level, all right? Now, my builders being, like I said, you all have your pins on. You have your credentials. Now, when you get inside, those credentials are going to go on the end of your workstation.
Yeah.
In we go.
Pin, card. Share station?
Yeah, this is your station. Center up, baby. Yeah, that's your station. Put your card over there. Go ahead.
Welcome, and thank you for finding your way to us. Now I know all of this is a lot to take in, but to us, it is everything. And to build this, a lightsaber. Well, a lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and their darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, and the saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between them. And tonight, you will feel that connection. Now enough babbling, let's get busy. We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify. Now some say that the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. This you may already know from some of the great Jedi in our history. A blue crystal, such as the one wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and of course, Rey. Green, the crystal that called to Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are some who call this the color of power and ambition. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your kyber crystals. My friends, close your eyes. What color do you see in your mind? Choose your crystal and know that it is equally
Oh, so sorry.
Open your eyes and take your crystal.
It's amazing.
Which one is it, Will? Let the blue sky join. Yes. Get off my back.
Well done.
No, trading has begun.
We'll now join that crystal to the aspects of lightsaber design that you chose moments ago on the other side of the workshop door. One important detail, listen carefully. Make sure the crystal is resting on the small green tray, left side of the building station.
See where to put it?
Good!
Right there.
Very good. Now, you will start to work on your field. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control. And the thing that keeps your hands from disintegrating. In these boxes are the aspects of design you've already selected. Chassis, activation plates, grip, emitter, and pommel cap. Now, remember, building a lightsaber is a very versatile odyssey. Just as you selected your crystal, you will now choose each and all aspects of design that make your saber unique. Should you have questions, or if you face difficulties, the gatherers are here to help.
Oh, she got the plate I got.
Now,
She got the tray I got.
let's build.
Guys, my name is Sydney. I'm going to be helping you out tonight. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our chassis all the way on the left. You're going to want to have those stripes facing upwards. Picking up your kyber crystal, you're going to find a pointy end on that crystal and a divot in the top of the chamber here. You're going to press that point up and then pop the bottom into place. This is the most difficult part of the build, so please let me know if you need some assistance.
See?
I'm going to take a quick look at it for you. Looks good.
Your first step has begun.
Yeah.
so proud. And you picked Sith. I'm very proud of you.
I'm other mother. I'm standing in for your mother.
Good job for going red.
Except that I have buttons on my eyes.
I couldn't disappoint my mother like that.
No, Mother would want you to go red.
She would 100% want me to go red.
You're supposed to use the force.
Yeah.
Don't you have a
Remember your training.
We're going to go over to column 5. You're going to pick out one of those 2 sets of activation plates. When you pick up your first piece, you're going to see there's a square with a color in it. That square color is going to correspond to the same color square on your chassis. So red is going to go directly over red, and blue is going to go directly over blue.
See? You got it.
Make sure you're concentrating because you lose control of the
Do you hear that spark when you press your switch up? Press it down, and then back up.
Use the force, Paxton. Let it guide.
Turn the other way.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty, even in space. Goodness, looky here.
Good choices, kid.
What do you think? That looks awesome.
That is a very cool
I love the bottom of the hilt there. That's so cool.
Oh, you have similar.
Look at this.
I love the bottom part. That's good. What color did you get, Travis?
I guess we'll see.
I guess I will.
Oh, you're about to see the best part of this.
Well done. We completed our bills. Now, let's keep going. Trust us. Leave them exactly where they lie on the stations in front of you. Take a deep breath and a step back. Gatherers, you know what to do? Gatherers are not stabilizing your pursuit. But in these completed hills for the very first activation, this is the only thing you do not do.
Many doubts still were. Now, joined they are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
It is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, we will come forward, place your hand upon the hilt of your completed lightsaber, and when I give the signal, you will for the first time activate your blades. Are you ready? Yes! Step forward, and on my mark, activate. Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, only takes a spark. And now, my friends, if you would be kind enough to momentarily deactivate and lower your blades.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master. My friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the floor. In order to preserve what you've so elegantly crafted, we are pleased to grant you a saber sheath as you leave. Now, our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy and remember you are as unique and as extraordinary as the blades you hold. Perhaps next time, we shall tell your stories. Raise and activate your lightsabers. Journey well and wide, my friends, to the spire. To the spire.
Look at that. Well, hey, let's do it in front of the X-Wing on the way out then. At least we can get next to a ship. Just take some photos real quick. So what'd you think?
That was incredible.
Was that awesome?
That was so cool.
Isn't that cool? They do the whole, like all the history of it, and they really get into it.
Yeah.
Did you guys like it? Why are them lightsabers not on? What are you, crazy? Well, that was a big hit with my group, as I knew it would be, so hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll see you next time.